Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Collins Elementary School, home of the Cougars, and I'm in Livingston, New Jersey again. My second visit to their campus, an amazing morning. Got to speak to all the grades again, K through 5, in 2 separate age-appropriate assemblies. And the focus today, taking it up level from last time, we talked about bullying and looking at someone's heart first, but today we really focused on diversity, and that's appreciating our differences on both the outside and inside, but also the need for human kindness, like it says on my shirt, the design that my friend and I created a couple of years back, the peace sign inside the heart, where peace has to begin, but also to people, because kindness is not just about showing it to yourself, but we have to show it to others too. And it's so important that we do show that, because if we're kind to someone or a group of people, it may not just be to those individuals or individual, it could be to anyone that's in earshot or eyesight of hearing that kind word or seeing that kind action. It might change their heart in a positive way too. And so through a series of heartfelt stories today, some inspirational video clips, of course the hip hop, to also talk about the message and expand upon some of the key themes and lessons, we were able to really hit their hearts, kind of bring it home. The picture slides too, that tie into the different anecdotes that I share. And I believe, that they really did get something out of this. There's a lot of feedback afterwards. Some students that just said they remember from last time when I came, and they were really excited that I got to come back as well, because they've been making a commitment to try and show kindness and to always see themselves and others as this too. I bring this up in all my presentations, but all of us with the lines on our hands have the letter M. I trace one of mine here again. Sometimes a faint line connects it, but we have at least one in each hand, right? And that M again stands for miracle. Upside down W stands for worthy. That we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love, to both give it and receive it, but we have to buy into this, right? Because so many students I speak to still sometimes don't. There's been students recently that have come up to me and said, Mr. Peace, when I look in the mirror, I don't really like the reflection. Right? And it breaks my heart to hear stories like that, but sometimes we let other people's opinions of us determine our worth and our value. But the idea is that, we're all beautiful, and that's what diversity is, and brings life to schools like this school here and all the schools across this world. If we were all the same, it'd be very boring, right? But the fact that we're all unique and beautiful, we can learn from each other, we can grow from each other, right? We can always choose that kindness, choose that love, and really that unconditional love. That's love without any conditions. If someone's taller than us, shorter, wider, skinnier, different skin color, disabled or not, wears glasses or not, is as good as us at something or not as good as us at something, we can still show that love. And again, it's just always an honor to come here. There's a lot of energy today. Everyone very welcoming. You definitely felt the kindness, definitely felt the love. Their Cougar Cares program that they're doing for acts of kindness in the community. I mean, these students are really picking up the torch for change. And that's always very motivating to me, to see our next generation that's going to be the change and be the difference here on this world. So thanks again for touching my heart. Hope to see you all again soon. Have a great rest of the school year. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button you'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation, and feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.